Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Today, we are here with an amazing story. And this story is about the three little pigs. Yes. Before I start the story, I would like to tell you that which is the strongest house. The strongest house is the stone house or the brick house. Yes, we all live in a house made up of bricks and cement. So to prove this, today I am going to tell you a story. So let me introduce with my story characters. These are the three little pigs. This is the first little pig. This is the second little pig. And this is the third little pig. Yes. And she is the mother of the pigs. She is the mother pig. She is the mother of all the three pigs. Yes. Now, let me introduce to the bad wolf. He is a very bad wolf. Yes. He wanted to eat these kittens. So he is a very bad wolf. Now, let's start the story. So, there was Mother Pig and his three little pigs who all lived together. Where? They lived together in a farmyard. Can you see? This was their house, their farmyard. They all lived together happily. But what happened? Kya hua? All the three little pigs were eating so much. They used to eat. And one day what happened? They grew up. वो बहुत बड़े हो गए. जैसे हम भी खाते हैं तो बड़े होते हैं ना, वैसे ही ये three little kittens भी बड़े हो गए, strong हो गए, fat हो गए. Now the mother pig was very concerned. इनको बहुत टेंशन हो गई. She was very concerned that the three little pigs have grew up and they have no place to live. Only one little house. And how will all four of them live there? वो कैसे रहेंगे चारों? They don't have any bed to live. So the mother pig decided. उन्होंने क्या सोचा? They asked the three little pigs to leave the house. What she decided? उसने सोचा और उसने बोला कि तीनों little kittens को कि तुम घर छोड़ दो and go outside and see the white world. And she even asked them to be very careful of whom the bad wolf. She even asked, उसने तीनों pigs को बोला कि इस wolf से बच के रहना. He is very bad. Now, all three pigs were sad. How were they sad? They were very sad. They decided to leave the house. Now, what happened? The first little pig, she went. And what she saw? She saw a bundle of straws. And what she made? She made this house of straws. Such a beautiful house, right? She made this house of straw and she lived there. Now, the other little two pigs still sad, still upset that they don't have any house to live. वो बहुत sad थे ना कि उनके पास अभी भी कोई घर नहीं है. Now they went and the other little pigs went And what she saw? She saw a bundle of sticks. And what came to her mind? उसके माइंड में क्या आया? That she should make a home out of these sticks. फिर उसने ये स्टिक से एक घर बनाया. She made a house out of these sticks. Such pretty house. She lived there happily. Now the last page, sad, sad, sad. She don't have any home to live. What she saw? She got some bricks, some stones and cement. And she built a home of stones and cement. But what happened? This home took a lot of time. A couple of time. Pigs didn't made in one day. This home was made in one day. But this home took 3 to 4 days. The other two pigs used to laugh at the little kitten. They used to laugh that this kitten is wasting time. ये तो अपना समय बर्बाद कर रहा है. But the pig was very confident. वो बहुत confident था कि वो अपना घर बना लेगा. And finally, can you see this brick home? He made this stone house, and this house is very strong. Now all three pigs were happily living at their homes. Now what happened? The bad evil wolf came. He wanted to eat all the three pigs. उसे ये 3 pigs को खाना था. What he decided? He went to the first little pig and knocked the door. He knocked the door. Knock, knock. But the little pig was scared. वो डर गया था ना that the bad wolf has came and he will eat this little pig. She said, "No, I won't open the door." The bad wolf got angry. He said, "Open the door, open the door. Otherwise, I'll huff and puff and blow the house." He blowed the house. The wolf blowed the house. This little pig, she ran and came to the other little pigs, and they both lived in. The bad wolf again came to the house of sticks. As he wanted to eat the little pigs, he was very hungry and he wanted to eat the pigs. Now again he was very angry and said, knocked the door and said, "Come out, little pigs, come out. I will eat you today." But the little pigs again got scared. They got scared. And what they said, "No, I won't come outside." Now what happened? The wolf was angry and he said, "I will huff, I will puff and I will blow the house." What he did? He blowed the house. Now the little pigs again ran and they came at their third home, at the third little pig's house. Now they asked the third little pigs to please give them house to live, as the bad wolf is after them. Bad wolf उन्हें खा लेगा. The third little pigs closed the door and they all were happy. But now what happened? Again the bad wolf came to the 3 little pigs and again he was very angry. Now he said, "Now today I will have you as food. मेरे को तुम्हें खाना है." All the 3 little pigs were scared. They said, "No, wolf, go. No, bad wolf, please go." but the bad wolf started laughing. He said, I will huff, I will puff, and I will blow the house. But can you see? This house did. Straws got destroyed. The house of stick got destroyed. But the house of stones was very powerful. So it didn't got destroyed. Now the wolf thought, I can't destroy this house. So I need to think of something else. What he did? He thought of a trick. And what happened? He came near the house. उसने अपनी आवाज को चेंज किया. And what he said to the little pigs, little pigs, you can come out at 5 o'clock to collect your food. You know, turnips are there in the nearby farm. The little pigs were very happy, but they were very intelligent. They were very cunning. वो बहुत तेज थे. They knew that it is the bad wolf. They knew that it was the bad wolf who was tricking them. So what they did? They didn't got the time to go at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. What they did? They went at 1 o'clock. All the 3 little pigs went at 1 o'clock, collected the food to eat, and again went inside the house. Now this wolf was very angry that this trick also didn't did anything. ये लोग तो फिर बच गए. Now the wolf said, okay, now I will also come early. Again, the next day, when a little pig was going to collect food, the wolf was there above the tree. He was sitting above the tree. And the little pig got scared because उसको पता चल गया that the wolf was sitting. So she ran, and she was able to reach the house safely. She was happy, but the bad wolf was angry, and he decided to go inside the house directly. And how he will go inside the house? With the help of chimney. What he decided, that in the house above there was a chimney. He will go inside the house from this chimney. And what happened? The 3 little pigs put fire in the chimney, and the bad wolf burned. He burned in the fire. वो जल गया. And the 3 little pigs were happy. They smiled and they were very happy that finally the evil bad wolf is no more and they will be happily living. So, bad people, bad animals, anything bad can never survive. कोई भी गलत चीज कभी भी सफल नहीं होती है. Okay?